Once you run the IntelliMix setup, you'll get to the IntelliMix installation wizard. This wizard will guide you through the install of IntelliMix Room. Before you start, ensure you have closed all other applications. Please note, as of version 2, you must reboot the computer at the end of the installation. Click Next on the installation wizard. The next screen asks you to choose the install location. It's recommended to stay with the default. Information on how much storage space is required is also given. Select Next. You need to select the network settings for your NIC. First, select the NIC for Shure Control, which is discovery and control of IntelliMix Room through Designer and System-on software. For our example, we've chosen the wired network connection. Then select the NIC for routing Dante Audio. Please note that for this setting, you cannot choose a wireless NIC as Dante audio transmission is based on a wired network topology. Select Next once you've selected your network settings. In this screen, you select the NIC which will be used for activating and validating the licenses for IntelliMix Room. It's important to ensure that a permanent, non-removable NIC is selected here. It does not need to have access to the Internet. This setting cannot be changed after installation. Select Next once you've selected your network settings. The screen you will see next is the Analytics screen. Selecting the box that says Send Anonymous Diagnostic and Usage Information to Shure will help us to better understand issues and improve our products. For this demonstration, we're selecting the box. Select Install when you're ready. The next page is for Windows optimization. The optimization has already been performed on the demo computer, so the settings are grayed out. The firewall is automatically adjusted. The user has no option to opt out of automatic firewall changes. You can find more information in the user guide. Then select Next when you're ready to continue. The installation continues to install files. This is the final success screen. IntelliMix Room is installed and running as a service. IntelliMix Room will automatically launch as a service whenever the computer is restarted. Use Shure Designer software to fully configure the installation of IntelliMix Room. You can always access basic settings using the icon in the Windows system tray. From here, you can also view the release notes or view the IntelliMix Room help. Restart the computer to finish the installation by clicking on the Restart button.